this big girl right here. Don't touch their butts. This big girl right here. Siska eat. She don't play by her food. She want it on time.
Oh, no? You don't have to peel it.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
I could peel it for you. She don't want yours.
You don't want mine.
So, feeding's over. We'll have a break. I think we eat. And then we'll go bathe the elephants and stuff like that. But I have a new friend, y'all. Amelia's really about to be replaced as my BFF. Sad but true. I think I got a picture. Oh, look. See, look. We like BFFs, bro. Amelia's been replaced. Alright, so we out here. About to go wash these babies. That's another baby. Okay, so the GoPro footage is really bad, or not the footage, but the audio is pretty bad. So right here what's happening is I'm kind of explaining to you, I was making a nice joke about how I was going to replace Canella. Me and the elephants were going to replace Canella on Instagram. Like you guys know, the Kevin Canella thing, and it's like Tarzan and all of his other animals. So I was making a reference to that, but the GoPro audio is horrible for this film. So that's what was happening right now. That's what I was kind of explaining right now. They started flinging like mud and stuff, and I didn't bring anything to wrap my hair up with, so I had to take off my Buff Apparel shirt and use it as a hair wrap. So it works for both because nothing got through. It stays securely. it's our time to eat. So we're gonna take some showers. I'll show you what the shower looks like and the walk from the pavilion to the shower. That's what that looks like. And so yeah. Alright, so we chose to do the elephant sanctuary because it looked a little more humane than the other option of riding the elephants. We actually rode by and they were chained up, which was kind of like depressing to see. So we went with this option. It was about 5,000 baht for the both of us to do it. They make you do a deposit of 2,000 baht.
Yeah, 2,000 baht.
2,000 baht.
And it's 3 pen pals, so you can use a US credit card if you like.
And or you can do it baht
when you get there.
Just whatever you so choose.
And they do have a pickup service. You can pick up from the hotel, but they only do Patong. So you have to stay around Patong area, and there's an extra fee if you're out of Patong. And they don't do Airbnb pickups, only hotels.
So yeah, at this sanctuary, we did a morning visit. On this morning visit, we were able to feed the elephants, wash them, interact with them. We got to see one of them get some medical attention, which I put some footage here. I didn't want to put it in the video because it is a little gross. Like it's like a really big pimple, like an elephant-sized pimple. That's like, yeah. So it's a lot. Yeah. So that's kind of why we chose to do this. I highly recommend doing that. They did give us these really cool ponchos. Shit.
Oh.
I don't know if this will fit me now that I've put on a little weight.
Huge.
But yeah, so that was our experience there. Be sure to check out our experience at Tiger Kingdom, which will follow this video. And then also be sure to check out the rest of our videos within the Hawkins experience playlist. We also have a new Instagram if you guys would like to follow that. It has our adventures throughout. We'll soon start sharing some tips that we share on here, but just so that you can receive them in that Instagram platform as well. With that being said, I'm gonna bid you guys adieu. The Amelia's video still isn't doing that well, so she has to come up with something. So yeah, until next time, y'all be easy. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.